Surprise! I have good news. Let me inform you about 21-day challenge of Hip Hop Basic. It will start from 21 October. What should we do in 21 days? The first thing that you learn in this period is how you can develop basic steps in hip hop freestyle. You never run out of ideas. You never feel like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. My mind is empty. So after these 21 days, you will freestyle and dance confidently without any fear. Some days you will have follow-along drills. Master hip-hop basics, improve your freestyle and making choreographies, and improve the quality of your grooves. I'm sure all of you guys have experienced this feeling about what can I do? Why I don't have any idea to dance and freestyle or making choreographies. Today, you will tell your mind that stop, I don't want to be that. I don't want to be a person who always struggle to find new ideas or movement. I choose to start a challenge, that this challenge will help me to grow in my freestyle or in my choreographies. After this challenge, you're not only able to improve your quality of movement and groove and freestyle, but also you can make a routine, you can be more disciplined. If you want to be a professional dancer, you can make this habit and routine for your life. Remember, this challenge is for you. If you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate dancer and you want to stick to your plan, you want to go to the bed with a feeling of satisfaction and fulfillment, you need to start this challenge. So let me know your name and your commitment to this challenge. All of the members that want to be in this challenge must write their names in the comment section. See you next week. Bye bye.